Hey guys, Craig from Customish here. I have got some stuff here for a Subaru Sambar. I will give you a little bit of a walk around and show you some of the new parts and pieces that we're making for the Sambar. So first thing is we've made a cup holder. This cup holder slides into the ashtray hole. So you remove your ashtray, slide the plug into where the ashtray was, and then this bolts onto the front of it. So as you can see, this left one is pushed a little bit further this way to get more clearance. The right one is a little bit smaller just because there's literally no room between the shifter and the gauge bezel, or in the radio. So on the right hand side you'll have to have smaller, maybe smaller cups and mugs than on the left. But the left you can hold larger items. This is a relatively large water bottle. It'll fit on either side. It's nice and stable. Yeah, that's the cup holder. We also have the light, so a dome light cover. It's 3D printed out of clear PETG. These, I know they weather and crack when they get too hot. All right, we've also printed bumper guards, so it's 6 pieces, 4 pieces on the side and then 2 shorter ones in the back. I printed 2 separate sets. There's the standard set, which matches the originals exactly. And then I have an extended set here to show you if you want to run either a wider offset, a bigger tire, or knobbier tires, and you need the space so these won't hit when they're down, you can run these offsets. They're 5 millimeters longer. They give you about 40 millimeters of clearance off the tire, and this will sit at a 15-degree angle. If you need a bigger size, let me know. I'm interested to see if I need to make bigger ones or smaller ones, but I'll give you an idea of what that looks like. So that's how it would sit, and it'll give you a little bit of extra clearance driving down the road. All right, we've also made some front side gate bumpers. So that's for here. If these have worn out on yours or cracked or rubbery or missing, we've made these. They're in a direct replacement. They fit right in. Those are also printed out of TPU, which is flexible, that matches the original rubber. All right, so that's the walk around on the Sambar. If you've got any questions or suggestions of products you need or could use, either shoot me an email, craig@customish.net, or just leave it down below in the comments, and we'll see what we can come up with it for this thing. Anyways, have a great day, and thanks for watching.